Thank you very much for your question. So your illness or illnesses are memories. And yeah, I went through that. I came out at the end of the tunnel, but it doesn't mean that I don't have any memories anymore. I have to clean a lot. I don't have addictive or bankrupt memories anymore. But I have other possibilities to do my cleaning, because this is the only reason why I'm here. And now when I'm looking at the world, there's so much to clean. And this is why I'm here. And look, when I would have those illnesses in several, they show up in several ways, I would look at the feeling I have, the emotion. Would I be desperate or angry? And then I would work on this memory.